This tutorial will explain how to print your answer sheets for the SAT practice test and the PSAT NMSQT practice test. Before we begin, if you do not know or have forgotten how to log into Elluminate, I have included a link on the SAT Elluminate instruction document. To start, I have logged in as a data coach. On the SAT Elluminate instruction document, you will find a list of your data coaches. The data coaches, as well as administration, have the ability to print an entire grade level's answer sheets at once, this being the most efficient way to print answer sheets. Individual teachers do not have the same rights as data coaches and administration, so you will want a data coach or administration to print these answer sheets. You may notice your dashboards looks different than mine. However, that's okay as long as these 4 buttons at the top are there. The button that we need to be focusing on is the Assessments button, so click that. And then in the box, click List Assessments. A good habit to get into when this screen appears is to always click the clear. Now we want to type in SAT and click Search. 24 tests that are associated with SAT appear. The ones that we are going to be focusing on are the PSAT NMSQT practice test, and you will notice there are 4 sections of this test. There are writing, math, math with no calculator, and reading. You will need to print an answer key for each student for all 4 of these sections of the PSAT NMSQT practice test. Then, the SAT practice test number 1 also has 4 sections, but please be aware that there is a 5th optional section, but that is not graded by Elluminate. That is this essay section. The 4 sections that you will want to print out answer sheets for are the SAT practice test number 1, math with a calculator, the SAT practice test number 1, math with no calculator, the SAT practice test number 1, reading, and the SAT practice test number 1, writing and language. So these 4 are tests that you want to have answer sheets for. This one is optional, and again, Elluminate will not grade that. And then these 4 tests right here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I am just going to click on this first one. This box will appear. You will click on Print Answer Sheets. You will notice this print pre-slugged is already indented. You will want to make sure that this stays indented, as this will make sure your answer sheets already have your student's name and number on them. All of these boxes you can just leave alone, and you want to click Additional Filters. And right here under grade level, you have the ability to choose what grade level you want to print your answer sheets for. I'm just going to click 8th. You also have the ability to print multiple grades at one time. So if you will be giving this to 8th, 9th, and 10th, you can put all of those in this field right now. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it 8th. And then you also need to click Advanced Options. Where it says Group by Class, you want to change that to No. And then we're going to click Generate. You will notice the student's name and number on there, as well as what answer sheet this is for. You can print directly from this screen, or if you are having trouble printing, you can download them and print from there. Remember, you need to follow the same instructions for each section of each test. Also remember, there are 4 sections to every test, so every student should have 4 answer sheets. This concludes this tutorial on printing answer sheets for students in Elluminate.